How you going, guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can see behind me, we've epoxied the whole side of the car. It's all looking really good. Now this video, I wanted to make a bit of a video about the repair that I'd done basically on this guard edge and door edge. So we had all perfect, nice gaps, and it's all nice and flush. So I basically wanted to talk about my methods and a few little tips and tricks which might apply to you and your build when you go and do repairs. So with that said, let's jump straight into it, and I hope you all enjoy it. Alright guys, so we've locked that down with 80 grit. Now I want to leave enough product on there so I can jump down a grit. So I'll be now jumping to 120 grit, and same again, I don't want to sand all the filler out with 120. I still need to allow enough product on the panel so I can finish in 240. So I'm pretty comfortable that we've sanded enough with 80. Now we've got a couple of little low spots here, as you can see by the guy coat. So that's where like the guy coat really does help you, you know. It highlights everything for you. Apart from that, it's all looking pretty good. So we used the Big Key blocks and the Dura block to do underneath the body line. So yeah, let's jump to 120 and we'll keep sanding. I'll just speak a little bit about this charcoal guy coat. Now it's a really good idea to use a charcoal guy coat, especially when you're doing filler repairs like this. So what it's actually going to do is sit in all the scratches and highlight them. So when you jump down to grit, you can see what's been sanded out and what hasn't. I can see that I've got the repair pretty straight in 80. So we'll throw this on and this will really highlight all those scratches so we can see what's left while we're sanding with a lower grade. Alright, so we've finished that in 120 and we've gone down our door gap and just tidied it up. Now it's time to re-guide coat it and jump down to 240. One thing to keep in mind is when you're sanding with a pretty rigid block like a big hit block, is that you don't want to be hitting the corner underneath those doors there, because what will happen if you're blocking too high up, you actually cause lines in your filler work, and especially when you've spent as much time as you have on this as I have. Not that it's only been maybe 3 hours on this repair. The last thing you want to be doing is having to re-skim things and tidy things up. So, so far so good. We've got a few 120 scratches around here. Apart from that, it's all looking pretty good. I'm out of breath. So basically I'm going to jump on to 240 with the Dura blocks, do underneath that body line there. And then we're pretty much right to basically get the air blower, completely blow it down, check for any pinholes. I'm pretty confident that I don't have any, but It also highlights any scratches that may be still there, and you may be required to go over it again with 240. That feels really good. Alright guys, that pretty much sums up this video. We didn't really show too much getting done on the car in this one. There's going to be a big video coming over the weekend, so stay tuned for that one. I really appreciate everyone jumping on the bandwagon and subscribing to the channel. You guys really enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.